And there's another one of my favorite places to go, Tractor Supply. Oh man, my Reese's cup got all melted. Stay. And there we are. They got Red Wing boots here. I think they used to. I don't know. Let's look around. Oh, let's go see if they got any ducks or chickies. Little baby chicks. Ooh, there we go. Look at this. That's some tractor stuff there, boy. Whew. Hang on. Why don't it focus? There we go. That's not so bad. All sorts of cool stuff. Hardware-wise. Yeah, I'm looking for the Welding stuff, but I forgot to bring my tip. I'm looking for a bigger welder tip. And maybe a plasma cutter would be nice, but I can't afford that right now. Looking for my dream items. There's those snap rings I was looking for. Down here in pins and rings. I wonder how much those are. Oh, $1.29. I think I got them cheaper at my local lawnmower place. I think I paid like $1 for a couple of them. You got all sizes there. Here we are, the Welding stuff. Got some little spools of wire. They got some bigger ones down here. Oh yeah, they got some bigger ones. Well, looky there. Check out these stainless 312 plus for welding hard to weld dissimilar metal, stainless, high carbon casts, and high nickel steels. Cast iron. I've welded cast steel before, cast iron. And I think that's what I used right there, blue rod. Those are $21 for 5 rods there. 21 bucks. So those are not cheap. And there's a 332nd, it's the same thing, it's 312 plus. They got the aluminum MIG wire. I'm not seeing any silicate bronze, flux, gasless flux, stainless steel wire. Ooh, 30 stainless. I think I can run that in my machine with a gas. How much is that? $32. Oh, no. $49 for the stainless. Is that right? Yeah, about $100 for entry-level hood, $109 for a little. That's the true color auto darkening lenses on there. It's kind of nice. Be nice to have one. Whoa, look at this. Check this. Look at this price, $64 for a piece of expanded steel. That's expanded steel right there. $64. 13 gauge. 3/4 inch, 12 by 24, $64. Is that right? Yeah. Weld steel. Oh no, wait, that's a stainless steel? That's in the wrong slot. What is it? Welded. I have to look at this later. I can't figure it out. Welded steel. $16 gauge, 12 by 24. Hang on. Yeah, 16 12 by 24 is 24 bucks. So $12 a square foot. Let's see what they got. 16. Got any 18 there? Got 22. Goes from 16 to 22. Wait, what do they got down here? What are these? Hang on. Oh wait, that's a 20. The $64 is a 24 by 24 16 gauge. So I think that would be this here. No, it's 22 gauge, 24 by 24, 22. I don't know, but yeah, stuff's expensive. Unbelievable. Yeah, I got to find a shop and buy scrap. Dang, welding's an expensive hobby, I guess. Little bird over there in the store. What are you doing, little bird? Check that out, dental bit set. Get all your driver bits in there. It looks like teeth. Focus, you stupid thing. There you go. So yeah, not a lot I could afford in there today. Not today.